Valentine's Day is coming, and you're still waiting for someone to love you? Let me tell you a secret. Until you fall in love with yourself, no love can ever truly fulfill you. Life is a mirror. You don't get what you want. You get what you believe you deserve. If deep down you feel unworthy, if you don't love yourself, the world reflects that back to you. But when you truly love yourself, something magical happens. Now, let's go step by step and master the art of self-love. Step 1. Reprogram your mindset. Change your inner dialogue. The way you talk to yourself shapes your reality. Your inner dialogue either lifts you up or holds you back. So, let's rewrite the script. Here's a simple yet powerful exercise to help you shift your mindset. Stand in front of a mirror every morning and say these affirmations out loud. I am worthy. I deserve love and respect. I love myself exactly as I am. I do not need anyone's approval. I am enough. The universe sends love and respect my way. Say these words with conviction, because the more you repeat them, the more your mind starts to believe them. Step 2. Treat yourself like someone you love. Think about someone you deeply love. How do you treat them? You're kind, patient, and caring, right? Now, it's time to treat yourself the same way. Loving yourself isn't just a feeling, it's a daily practice. Let's make self-love a habit. Exercise. Write down a list of things that make you feel loved and do at least one every day. Take a peaceful walk in nature. Buy yourself flowers or a small gift. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. Cook yourself a delicious meal. Pamper yourself with a skincare routine or massage. Remember, self-love isn't selfish. It's necessary. Step 3. Set high standards in relationships. When you love yourself, you no longer tolerate people who mistreat you. You set boundaries because you know your worth. It's time to raise your standards and create healthy relationships. Exercise. Grab a notebook and write down. 1. What behaviors will you no longer accept from others? 2. How do you want people to treat you? When you define your standards, you naturally attract people who respect and value you. Step 4. Stop comparing yourself to others. Comparison is the thief of joy. Social media shows you everyone's highlight reel, but you're living your own struggles up close. So, let's stop playing this game. Exercise. Every time you catch yourself comparing, do this. 1. Write down 3 things you love about yourself. 2. Instead of feeling jealous, celebrate others' success, knowing you're on your own unique journey. You are not in competition with anyone. Your path is yours alone. When you follow these steps, something incredible happens. It's the magic of self-love. You stop chasing love and start feeling whole within yourself. And then, love finds you. So, if you're ready to love yourself, type in the comments, I choose to love myself. And if you know someone who needs to hear this today, share this video with them. Your journey to self-love starts now.